Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. If you're searching for the best setup videos, then subscribe our YouTube channel. This channel provides you the easy and quick setup videos. Are you guys tired of Wi-Fi dead zones at home and workplace? We have a solution for it. In today's video, we discuss complete setup of the Tenda R10 N300 Wi-Fi range extender using the WPS push button. This setup process contains only 2-minute setup. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reconfiguring it, this guide makes the process quick and hassle-free. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, unpack the extender box. Inside the Tenda R10 N300 Wi-Fi range extender box, you will find the extender device itself, a quick installation guide, and a warranty card. Everything you need to start the setup is included in the package. Now take your Tenda R10 extender out of the box. Plug it into a wall socket close to your main Wi-Fi router, within 1 to 2 meters. Make sure the socket switch is turned on. The power LED on the extender will turn on. Wait 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED becomes solid, not blinking. This means the extender is fully powered and ready. Now locate the WPS button on your router. It may be labeled WPS, Wi-Fi, or shown with circle and lock icon. Press and hold the WPS button for 2 to 3 seconds. The router's WPS light will start blinking, meaning it is ready to pair. You now have about 2 minutes to press WPS on the extender. Now look at your Tenda R10 extender and find its WPS button, usually on the side or front. Within those 2 minutes, go to the Tenda R10 extender. Press and hold its WPS button for 2 to 3 seconds, then release it. The signal/WPS LED on the extender will start blinking. Blinking means the extender is trying to connect to your router. Do not unplug or press any buttons now. Wait 1 to 3 minutes while the extender and router communicate. Watch the signal LED on the extender, it may blink for some time. Then it will turn solid in one color. If the LED turns solid green or yellow, the setup is successful. Unplug the Tenda R10 from the temporary socket near the router. Carry it to the area where Wi-Fi is weak, bedroom, hall, upstairs, etc. Plug it into a socket halfway between the router and the weak signal area. On your phone, laptop, or TV, open Wi-Fi settings. Look for a new Wi-Fi name like your Wi-Fi name _ext, or the same name as your main Wi-Fi, depends on model/settings. Now your setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry, contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will solve your problems as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for such as more updates.